I got a lot of support from the center. For example, from my supervisor and from the peers, and maybe we have some similar problems we can talk about and find a way to solve the problem. It's very friendly work environment for me. I work with industry partner, BNR, and that collaboration helps me to understand the tasks in the real manufacturing environment and what's the problem they are facing. It's in the real world problem, not in the lab. So it's very useful information for my research. I think it's the chance to work very closely with industry. We have regularly meetings, we have this placement with industry. That's very helpful to bridge the gap between industry and academia.